Certainly. The task of fabricating a PVC board-based cabinet door with a European hinge and attaching a handle involves several steps, each crucial to achieving a polished and professional finish. Here's a detailed explanation. Materials needed: 1. PVC board, used as the base for the cabinet door. 2. Gloss acrylic sheet, Arctic white. To cover the PVC board, providing a sleek, reflective finish. 3. European hinges, known for their concealed design, offering a clean exterior appearance. 4th, cabinet handle, to be attached to the door. 5. Adhesive, suitable for bonding acrylic to PVC. 6. Drill and accessories, for hinge and handle installation. 7. Screws, for securing hinges and handles. 8. Measuring tape and pencil, for precision in measurement. 9. Fabrication process 1. Cutting the PVC board. Measure and cut the PVC board to the desired dimensions using a saw, ensuring edges are smooth and even. 2. Applying the acrylic sheet. Cut the gloss acrylic sheet slightly larger than the door dimensions, allowing it to be trimmed precisely after adhesion. 3. Apply a strong adhesive uniformly over the surface of the PVC board. Lay the acrylic sheet over the adhesive, pressing firmly to eliminate air bubbles, then allow it to cure completely. 4. Trim excess acrylic using a router or a utility knife, ensuring the edges align perfectly with the PVC board. 3. Installing European hinges. Mark hinge positions. On the interior side of the door, mark locations for the hinges based on the door's height. Drill cup holes. Use a Forstner bit to drill cup holes for the European hinges, typically 35 millimeters in diameter. Attach hinges. Secure the hinge cup into the drilled hole using screws, ensuring they are flush and secure. Mount a cabinet frame. Position the door on the cabinet, aligning the mounted hinges with pre-marked positions on the cabinet frame. Fasten securely, attaching the handle. Mark handle location. Decide on a suitable position for the handle, typically centered horizontally and vertically on the edge where the door opens. Drill pilot holes. For accuracy and to prevent any cracking, drill pilot holes through the acrylic and PVC layers. Secure handle. Attach the handle using screws that pass through the pilot holes, ensuring it is aligned and securely fastened. Finishing touches. Carefully inspect the door for any adhesive residue or imperfections on the acrylic surface. Clean the acrylic to enhance its gloss. Adjust hinges if necessary to ensure the door aligns perfectly within the cabinet frame. Allowing for smooth opening and closing. The result is a refined cabinet door that blends seamlessly into modern interiors, characterized by its high gloss finish and sleek appearance provided by the Arctic white acrylic. This combination of materials and hardware not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also provides durability and ease of maintenance. Creating a fancy cabinet door can be a rewarding woodworking project. Below, I'll outline the steps involved in making one, along with comments for each paragraph to provide additional insights. Step 1. Gather materials and tools. Comment. Before you begin, ensure you have all necessary materials and tools on hand. Common materials include hardwood or plywood, cabinet hardware, and finishes. Tools may include a table saw, router, drill, clamps, and sandpaper. Step 2. Measure and design 1. Decide on the dimensions of the cabinet door based on the cabinet frame and design style. 2. Sketch the design, considering elements like panel style, moldings, or glass inserts. Comment. Accurate measurements and a clear design are essential. Consider the cabinet's overall aesthetics and functionality in your design. Step 3. Cut the wood one. Cut the panels and frames according to your measurements using a table saw or circular saw. 2. If using multiple pieces like a frame and panel, ensure they fit together properly. Comment. Precision in cutting is crucial for ensuring everything aligns well. Use sharp blades for clean cuts to avoid splintering. Step 4. Shape the edges 1. Use a router with appropriate bits to shape the edges of the door for a decorative finish, e.g. rounded or beveled edges. 2. Sand the edges afterward to smooth out any rough areas. Comment. Shaping edges adds elegance to your cabinet door. Ensure you wear protective equipment while using power tools. Step 5. Assemble the door 1. If your design has a frame and panel construction, insert the panel into the frame. 2. Use wood glue and clamps to secure the pieces together. Allow the glue to dry as per the manufacturer's instructions. Comment. Proper assembly ensures durability and enhances appearance. Clamping is important to keep everything aligned while the glue sets. Step 6. Sand the surface 1. Sand the entire surface of the door with progressively finer grits of sandpaper to achieve a smooth finish. 2. Pay attention to corners and edges to ensure consistent smoothness. Comment. Sanding not only improves the appearance, but also prepares the surface for finishing. Take your time for the best results. Step 7. Finish the door 1. Apply a wood stain or paint, followed by a clear coat for protection. 2. Use brushes or spray for an even application and follow drying times as recommended. Comment. The finish can dramatically change the look of your cabinet door. Choose a finish that complements your overall decor. Step 8. Attach hardware 1. Once the finish is completely dry, install hinges and handles. 2. Make sure to position them at comfortable and practical heights. Comment. Proper hardware placement enhances functionality and aesthetics. Take your time to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Step 9. Install the door 1. Mount the door onto the cabinet frame, ensuring it's level and aligned properly. Second, test the opening and closing action to ensure smooth operation. Comment. A well-installed cabinet door not only looks great, but also functions well. Adjust hinges if necessary for optimal performance. Final thoughts. Following these steps will help you create a beautifully crafted cabinet door. Take your time with each phase and don't hesitate to make adjustments for better results. Enjoy the process. Comment. Each project is an opportunity to learn and improve your skills. Don't rush through steps and take satisfaction in your craftsmanship.